Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. In part 1, we looked at replacing steps 1 and 2 with a and 1 and 2 rhythm. Now we're going to have a look at replacing 5 and 6 with the same variation. Let's recap our 8-count basic footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You'll notice that when we get to the end of 3 and 4, triple step, our weight is over that right foot, which means that our left foot is free. This is normally where we'd pop in that step, step, left, right for 5 and 6. But instead, we're going to try this new variation, the ba-da-ba-da rhythm. This rhythm goes on and 5 and 6, which means we need to start it with our left leg to create a ba-da-ba-da, nice, clear, crisp rhythm. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go, ba-da-ba-da. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba-da-ba-da. It's a little tricky at first trying it on that new foot, but let's pop it in with our 8-count basic. We'll do one basic to start and then try the variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. Step, step, triple, ba-da, ba-da, triple. Step, step, triple, ba-da, ba-da, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It can feel a little strange accenting the middle of your 8-count footwork if you're not familiar with it, but give it a try and see what it looks like.